Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on online courses with Coursera, full guide step by step clearly. To save on online courses with Coursera, start by visiting the Coursera website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Browse through the categories of courses available. Use the search bar to find specific courses or subjects you're interested in. Look for courses offered by universities or organizations that you trust. Read the course descriptions carefully to understand what is covered. Check the course ratings and reviews from other learners. Look for financial aid options offered by Coursera for eligible courses. Click on the financial aid link on the course page and fill out the application. Consider auditing the course for free if financial aid isn't granted. Use the filter options to sort courses by price, duration, or level of difficulty. Keep an eye out for free trials or special promotions that Coursera may offer. Join Coursera's mailing list to receive updates on discounts and offers. Participate in Coursera's social media channels for exclusive deals. Collaborate with friends or peers who are also interested in learning. Share the course expenses to lower individual costs. Explore specializations that provide a series of courses at a lower total price. Look into applying for scholarships from Coursera or partner institutions. Use coupon codes available online to lower the course fees. Check if your employer offers educational assistance programs for online courses. Review course requirements and determine if it fits your budget and needs. Plan your study schedule to maximize the course value. Complete the course before the trial period ends to avoid charges. Lastly, stay motivated and engaged to get the most out of your learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.